If Canva is showing a screenshot error and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few fast fixes that usually solve the problem. We'll start with the simplest step first, then move into browser cleanup, extension checks, and finally a quick way to tell whether the issue is actually on Canva's side. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, refresh the page. A lot of Canva errors are temporary, and a simple reload can clear a glitch right away. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl and R to refresh the browser. If you're on a Mac, use Command and R instead. Give Canva a moment to reload fully and see if the screenshot issue disappears. If it does, great, you're done. If not, move to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Canva to fail when loading images, screenshots, or design assets. Open a new tab and search for a speed test. Run the test and pay attention to both your download speed and whether the connection is stable. If your internet is slow, try switching networks, reconnecting your Wi-Fi, or restarting your router. Sometimes that alone fixes the Canva screenshot error. If the problem is still there, clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause Canva to behave strangely. To do this in most browsers, click the three dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy or Privacy and Security. Look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is selected, and then click Clear. You do not always need to delete everything. Clearing the cache is often enough. After that, close and reopen Canva and test it again. Another common cause is browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block parts of Canva from loading properly. To check this, open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Look for any ad blockers, script blockers, or other tools that might interfere with websites. Turn them off temporarily, then go back to Canva and try the same action again. If the screenshot error is gone, you've found the cause. You can leave that extension off while using Canva or whitelist Canva so it works properly. If none of those steps work, search Canva down in your browser. This helps you check whether the issue is happening for everyone or just on your device. If Canva is having a service outage, the best move is to wait and try again later. In that case, nothing is wrong with your computer or browser. The platform itself may simply be experiencing problems. And if it still is not fixed after refreshing, checking your internet, clearing the cache, and disabling extensions, give it some time and try again later. These kinds of errors can happen temporarily, and they often resolve on their own once Canva's servers are back to normal or your browser session resets properly. So to recap, the fastest fixes are refresh Canva, check your internet speed, clear your browser cache, disable extensions like ad blockers, and search Canva down to see if there's an outage. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the screenshot error quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.